Introduction to nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior and properties of atomic nuclei. The study of nuclear physics involves the use of nuclear reactions, nuclear decay, and nuclear energy. It is a field of physics that has contributed to many scientific advances and technological innovations. Atomic nucleus. The atomic nucleus is the central part of an atom. It is made up of protons and neutrons, which are collectively called nucleons. The number of protons in an atomic nucleus determines the atomic number and chemical properties of the element. The number of neutrons in an atomic nucleus determines the stability and isotopic properties of the element. Nuclear forces. The strong nuclear force is responsible for holding the nucleons together in the nucleus. It is a short-range force that is much stronger than the electromagnetic force. The strong force is mediated by particles called gluons. The weak nuclear force is responsible for nuclear decay processes, such as beta decay. It is much weaker than the strong force and is mediated by particles called W and Z bosons. Nuclear reactions. Nuclear reactions involve the transformation of one or more atomic nuclei into different atomic nuclei. Nuclear reactions can be induced by bombarding a target nucleus with a projectile particle, such as a proton, neutron, or alpha particle. The products of a nuclear reaction can be predicted by using conservation laws, such as conservation of mass and conservation of charge. Nuclear decay. Nuclear decay is the process by which a radioactive nucleus emits particles or radiation to become more stable. The three types of nuclear decay are alpha decay, beta decay, and gamma decay. Alpha decay involves the emission of an alpha particle, which is a helium nucleus consisting of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Beta decay involves the emission of a beta particle, which can be either an electron or a positron. Gamma decay involves the emission of a gamma ray, which is a high-energy photon. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy released by nuclear reactions or nuclear decay. Nuclear energy is harnessed in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. The process involves the use of nuclear fission, which is the splitting of atomic nuclei, or nuclear fusion, which is the combining of atomic nuclei. Nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons are devices that use nuclear reactions to release a large amount of energy in the form of an explosion. Nuclear weapons can be designed to use either nuclear fission or nuclear fusion reactions. The use of nuclear weapons can cause catastrophic damage to human life and the environment, and they are considered to be one of the greatest threats to global security.